This is Jeff with Mill Renew out of Tacoma, Washington. I'm in Puyallup, Washington today to install a CANTEK D405ANC sliding panel saw. This is going into a company called V&O, which stands for Vries & Olsen. They're one of the premier fixture companies in the state of Washington. Anyway, let's get started. And this is Joe cleaning the table off. One of the other machines that V&O has is this CANTEK 25-inch top and bottom planer. It's got a digital readout on it for positioning thickness within a couple thousandths of an inch per pass. It also has a joiner table, and it's really good for taking the cup out of material. And here we have a CANTEK 3-head sander. It's a 50-inch wide machine. When I designed this machine for them, I put a steel contact drum on as the first head, and anybody who knows anything about sanders knows why that's important. If you note on the control panel, the most complicated thing it has on it is the digital positioner. It's a real basic machine, doesn't have all that extra garbage on the control that does nothing but confuse the operator. And this is their CANTEK straight line rip saw. And here's their CANTEK shaper. They just got it. It should be installed in the next couple days. And now as we're doing is waiting for their CANTEK 12-inch joiner to show up along with their edge bander. So this is their Omal drill and dowel machine, and comes in very handy for making panels exactly square and true based on their CNC drilling holes that coincide with the dowels on this machine. Works great for cubby holes. And this is their edge bander. It's actually a Flexa 307. They took off some lettering and call it Lex 307. But it's a pretty good size Cassaday edge bander, 3 mil, thin tape, solid wood, does the whole gamut of edge banding parts. And this is Vries & Olsen's first CNC. It's just a CNC, it's got a pusher on it for the outfeed table, and it's a vacuum lift for loading. And then what it does, it finishes the parts and automatically pushes the parts out on this unload table. And this is Vries & Olsen's newest CNC. And as you can see, it's got a bunk on the right-hand side here. You load a whole unit in, and it automatically feeds one board at a time onto the nested base table. And then after all the parts are cut, on the left-hand side of the machine, it automatically feeds out onto a conveyor, kind of like they have in grocery stores. So based on all the equipment you've seen here, you can see they're well equipped to do a job for anybody. They do Google, Microsoft, banks, stores, airports. They're quite a well-versed fixture company that I think they're second to none, to be honest with you. But that's V&O in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.